Heathrow Airport has a legal, moral, financial and reputational obligation for ensuring that fire does not present a threat to colleagues, passengers or anyone who passes through the airport. However, fires do occur at Heathrow. Over the past 12 months, the Heathrow Fire Service has attended 9 primary fires and over 650 incidents, all of which were successfully and quickly dealt with. We want to do better and ensure that even fewer fires take place in future. We mustn't be complacent, and that's why it's so important that you are taking part in this fire safety training today. Everyone who works across Heathrow, in any capacity, will be undertaking fire safety awareness training, no exceptions. So, keeping everyone safe and understanding how to react in the event of a fire is vital, as your safety and the safety of those around you depends upon it. To start with, let's look at fire prevention. To prevent fires breaking out, we need to understand what conditions allow a fire to burn in the first place. To help us understand this, we use the fire triangle. The fire triangle illustrates that when fuel or flammable materials are heated, the energy stored inside starts to react with oxygen in the air, giving off heat. This creates a vicious cycle, which may cause the fire to spread. To stop the spread of fire, you must remove one of these 3 elements to break the triangle. To put it another way, if the temperature, heat, is lowered, or the fuel is removed, or oxygen prevented from reaching the fire, the triangle is broken and the fire will stop. Because oxygen is in the air all around us, this is the hardest of the elements to control. However, we will see later how the design of the building where you work has inbuilt features to help reduce the free flow of oxygen in the event of a fire. The biggest cause of fires around our buildings are cooking incidents, electrical faults, and unextinguished cigarettes. In all cases so far, the fires could have been controlled or avoided. And although they were managed quickly and did not cause major risk to life or significant property damage, they could have got out of control and become a major incident. Fire prevention is the first line of defence against fires, and we all have a legal and moral duty to take reasonable preventative measures to ensure that a fire does not occur in our areas of work. Here are some ideas that you should consider implementing for your place of work. Keep your desk or work area clear in order to reduce easy sources of fuel for any fire. Remove storage boxes or other combustibles from below or around your place of work. Switch off all unnecessary electrical supplies. Never leave tools, phones or battery packs on charge overnight or for extended periods when your area is unattended. Have a weekly inspection plan in place for all cooking appliances. Ensure that they are safely placed in your designated food preparation area. The supply leads are in good condition and the equipment is clean and in a good state of repair. Never leave any form of cooking or food preparation unattended. Fire doors are in use across Heathrow, which help reduce the spread of fire. You should always take note of these signs, which appear on doors in corridors and on certain cupboards, as they all form part of our defence against the spread of fire. Remember, you should never prop open a fire door. Only a closed fire door will help prevent a fire from spreading. If you find a fault with any fire door or any fire equipment across Heathrow, please contact 0208 976 6555. Fire doors are clearly marked in the following ways. Fire door, keep locked shut. This is used on cupboards and storage rooms. Fire door, keep shut. This is used on doors in corridors and doors in and out of rooms where people will be passing through. No smoking. This absolutely means what it says, and you should never smoke or vape where one of these signs is present. It is also illegal to smoke or use e-cigarettes anywhere inside any building. Also, be aware of visitors who may be smoking or vaping in the wrong areas and ensure you direct them to a designated area. There are clearly marked designated areas for smoking and vaping, and you should only smoke or vape in these areas. Much of fire prevention is being aware of what can cause a fire or what can feed a fire if it starts. Take some time to look around the area you work in and think about how and what you see that could aid the spread of a fire and whether it should be stored in a better way. Note fire door signs, which are there to help stop a fire spreading. Remember also that many fires start in kitchen areas, so make sure you check over the equipment to ensure it is clean and serviceable. Noticing what is around you and being aware is one of the best fire prevention measures of all. You're now going to be asked some questions about fire prevention before we move on to the next section.